Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and oh my gosh, how many of you have a mess like this? This is my sequin stash. It's all my fun little bits of sequins. It's little, fun sequins for lack of a better term. And it is a mess. I get them from companies and they're in cute little bags, but then how do you store them? I have some that are left over from giant things. So I'm gonna show you how you can turn all of your sequins into an organized way for your craft room to go from this to this. All right, so let's back it up a little bit because you just saw what the finished product is. Okay, so what are you gonna do? How do you fix this mess? As you saw, there is a system, there's a binder, and these are some little containers. This is from the Kit Exchange. Now this is a binder system, but there's lots of other systems that are out there. So this is a nice big book, and this is gonna be my sequin book. And I know that there's some D-rings in here, which means I can add extra pages and have more layers if I need to get more sequins, because sequins seems to be like one of the bigger things. Or it could be little gems or things like that, small little doodads. These little baggies right here are all zippable, first of all. So they all can be zipped in, and then they all have a little Velcro. And the Velcro sticks fantastically. I'm gonna start sorting, popping my sequins into the correct bags, and speed this up for you guys. So I am done, I have finished, I have sorted. Look at the difference. And I did keep some of the regular baggies, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with these. But look at the difference in the pile of stuff. Most of what it was, and I did keep one just to show you. I had some bags that had like 5 sequins in it that were in these giant Ziploc bags, because that's all I had at the time when I was sorting them from the very, very beginning when I did this like 15 years ago. And so now I've push them into smaller containers, taking them out of jars like this that were really bulky, put them in containers like this. Now it's time to sort them in the book. Let me tell you, I'm gonna hang on to these because these are perfect actually, because these are actually little shaker things for glitter. You can mix your own glitter mixes with these. So these are perfect for glitter because you don't want to put glitter in little baggies like this. So save these little things if you have them, because you can make your own, kind of like you make your own confetti mixes or sequin mixes, you can make your own glitter mix. All right, so how do you actually sort these guys? It's really simple. You take them, they're already sealed, and start from the bottom. I think it's easier if you start from the bottom and then just start layering. They stack on top of each other. Look how cool this is. And so now, look at that. Look how nice and condensed. Now I can see every color that I have. They're all there. And now I'm gonna go in with my smaller bags. Now if you notice, I didn't transfer every single one of these over. I left some of these in the bags they originally I got them in. And I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna have a trick. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this nice large bag here, and I'm gonna probably do 3 or 4 of them. And I'm gonna start sorting, and I'm just gonna go ahead and stick this on down. I'm gonna start sorting and putting some of these smaller baggies inside of here. So, 3 or 4. You can always come in and grab them if I want. I think, I'll do some of the ones that are mixes. Like this is all one brand, right, that I got that has these mixes. So maybe I'll stick, let's do 4. I don't want to overfill them. And now I do the same thing. So now I'll take, oh look, I have these little gemmy things, right? So I have another one of those. Let's see what else. I got another little gems right here. Oddball stars. They really don't fit with anything. And another oddball. So these are like all my little odd pieces. And they're in the original containers. They're still sealed. They're not, oh, here's another oddball, right? To get them all in there. Odd shapes. Oh, and then we'll do these stars. So look, I can stick a whole bunch of little baggies in there, and it is organized. So I'm gonna speed up. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting these together, and I'm gonna show you how stable this thing really is. Here we go, look at that. Now I wanna show you something. They're staying. They're not coming off. These things, unless you pull them, they're not gonna come off. And this one in particular has actually like some heavy pieces in it. So it can take a lot. And look how much extra space I still have. I mean, I scooted these over, but look how much extra room. If I wanted to line these all up, I have more to fit here. I could really squish these in. And also this one has the capability of adding extra layers in here. So that way you can fold it all up. And then the whole thing just folds up. And look how nice and organized all of my sequins are compared to what they were before. I mean, they were a mess before. I can see my colors, I can pull what I need, I can see my mixes that I have. I know I probably have sequins stashed in other places at the house right now, and I just haven't organized them to be in this because it was in this bag that was a mess, and it was just, I never used them because it was so disorganized. Because I find that for me personally, if things are organized like this and I can see them, I'm more likely to use them. Thanks so much for stopping by and learning how to organize your sequins and small little gems like this, all of your sequin stash. Really easy way using the kit exchange system. This is just one of the many types of kits that they have. This is a binder kit. They also have a portfolio that opens up. There's lots of really cool ones. I've organized some of my jewelry pieces in there. And next on my list to organize are all my little leftover diamond dots, because they are also something that I love to use, and it is so hard to see them right now. So that is coming up very soon about how I organize that. It's gonna be the same process. You don't need to see that in video, but it's the same idea. Probably putting them in big baggies like this inside, maybe even in this kit too, because then they're all together. They're all my shaker bits. Links are down below where you can find your elements, which are the bags and also the binders and portfolios from Kit Exchange. And if I find some fun sequin sets, I'll throw those in there as well. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Bye everybody.